I asked a man, where were you born?
I saw a lot of people bashing the Alkaline fans, aka the Vendetta fans. I understand why now. Uno dumb. Uno really stupid. Uno brainwash. Because why did I just saw a video of Cliff Hughes talking about the interview he had with Alkaline and saying it was a difficult experience because Alkaline did not want to answer simple questions. And in the comment section I defend him and I say, if those are simple questions and every Vendetta fan can answer them question there, and Cliff Hughes be happy because nobody never remember him. Uno dumb. Uno stupid. His team requested Cliff Hughes. They knew Cliff Hughes' interview style and the type of question he would have asked. Alkaline refusing to answer these questions is a sign that he's stupid, incapable of doing a proper interview. The BET interview I saw with him was just the same. You know, so desperate for decry these artists, lose on the brain cells. My God, sick stomach. Damn, the parents must hear to know. But hey, these are just my thoughts. And before I forget, make sure you like, follow, share, comment.